In this video, you will see how to change transparency in Keynote. For example, I have changed the transparency, and as you can see, I can see through the image and read the text behind the image. It's very easy. First, go to the media option and then click on choose. Select the image, and after inserting the image, click on the image. And at the right hand side under the format, you will see the option of opacity. So right now it is at 100%. When I move this image onto the text, as you can see, we cannot see the text. So to change the transparency, you can move this slider, and as you can see, the image is getting transparent. You can also directly enter the percentage of transparency, for example 70%, and press enter. If you are working with the shapes, you can also insert the shape, and you can also change the transparency of the shape. Just use this opacity bar and you can change the transparency like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And if you want to learn keynotes quickly, check out these useful videos shown on screen. See you again in the next one.